How to celebrate Chanukah? One asks the question, how do you actually celebrate Chanukah? What are the celebrations? What do they entail? When we begin celebrating Chanukah, the most important part is about kindling a candelabra, known as a menorah, otherwise known as a Chanukah. It is a candelabra that has 8 candles in it, together with a candle that serves to light the 8 candles. Every night for 8 nights we kindle the menorah. We take the candelabra, we fill it up either with olive oil and a wick or with just a candle. We hold on the serving candle, otherwise known as the shamash. We hold it, we light it, and we say 3 prayers the first night, thanking God for the opportunity to kindle the menorah, thanking God for the miracles, and thanking God for being alive. And then the rest of the Chanukah, every night we add on another candle until all 8 candles are lit. But the rest of the Chanukah, we only say 2 blessings, the first 2 blessings. As we kindle the menorah, we look at the flame, and when you think about the eternity, you think about the limitless power of one little flame. Just think about it. One flame, you light it, and that flame can continue on lighting not only the 8 candles of the menorah, it could kindle tens, hundreds, thousands, millions. And you know what? The flame never diminishes. Such a timeless lesson for all of us that we need to see ourselves as we are the serving candle. We are the one that can light up another person's life. We are the one that can do good for others, that can do kindness for others. We are the ones that can bring light where there's dark. And that is what the menorah is all about. It's a very public event. We have menorahs all over in the public. We light the menorah by the windows so people should see, people should remember the power, the victory of light over darkness. So that is the very first way we celebrate Chanukah. There are other traditions that we eat deep fried foods, not to indulge too much. We need to watch our health, but donuts is very common to be eaten. Also, potato pancakes is a traditional Chanukah food. We also, what's known as we spin the top, it's called a dreidel. And this is to commemorate that during those days of Chanukah, when the Jewish children were prohibited from studying Torah, the teachers will still teach them, but when the patrol will come around, they'll close the books and they'll start spinning the top. And that reminds us the commitment and dedication that the children had during Chanukah to never give up studying their religion and studying the Bible and keeping the connection to God. The miracle of Chanukah is observed every year. Everyone can do it. It doesn't require a lot of knowledge, doesn't require a lot of experience. Anyone can take a candelabra, and light the candle. Anyone can eat deep fried foods, reminding us of the miracle of the oil. And each of us can sit around the menorah and think of its timeless message. Even though the miracle happened 2,000 years ago, we relive it every year. So let's celebrate Chanukah. Let's enjoy each other's company. Let's bring light to the world. Let's break the darkness that's out there, because yes, you and I can do that. You can hold on to that candle and you could bring limitless amount of light to the world. May the miracles of Chanukah be a turning point for all of us. The world needs miracles. You need miracles. I need miracles. We all need miracles. This is a season of miracles, that God will give us the greatest miracle, that we can rededicate the temple in Jerusalem yet once again in peace. Happy Chanukah. God bless you. God loves you.